Good afternoon, this is Bobby, one of the master technicians at Paul Miller BMW. I'm working on your X4. Doing an oil change as we speak, and after the oil change, I'm going to replace the microfilter. Tire pressures are okay. Tires are good too as well. 7 millimeters all around. Okay. Brakes in the rear are at 9 millimeters. Brakes in front are 11 millimeters. Those are good as well. After I'm done with the oil change, I will also reset the indicator light. Thank you so much for using Paul Miller BMW. Have a great day.